Welcome back to my channel. Today I will set up my new challenge named the coding plant. So that is the challenge that I will try a lot of algorithms on internet, and I will try to put into my code, and yeah, I will do that every week. So yeah, that is the challenge, and this will be the first episode of this challenge named auto generated maze AI algorithms, Prim's algorithms. Okay, now let's get into it. Okay, now I will show you what you can do with that algorithms. Yeah, I will show you now. Let's see this. Okay, now we have to wait it to appear here. Wait here. It's so black. Okay, yeah, it's so fast. Yeah, it's grab a whole new random maze for you. It's so cool. Yeah, you can see this. It is completely a random things, but it's a maze. Yeah, so it made by Prim's algorithm, and which is so okay. Now I will go to explain it to you that you can easily understand it and use it for your code. Yeah, so now let's continue it. Okay, now we are in a painting app, so I can explain it to you easily. So we have to make a table of a cell here. You see? Yeah, it is here. Alright, then multiply it here. Many here. Okay, I will try to explain it by the easiest way for you to understand here. Okay, but here, okay, it looks perfect. Okay, now it is a maze, so we have a pen here. Okay, this is a room. Yeah, this is a room. Yeah, this is a room too. It's a room at the corner. Yeah, so okay, so this algorithm can simply understand that by the way that you have to choose randomly room in all of this whole table. Okay, now we will choose this here. Okay, now we chosen a room. Yeah, okay, now it's start room. Then we have to find what is table or neighbor. Yeah, neighbors. Yeah, you will see it have 3 neighbors, 4, but I will tell 3. Okay, table 1, 2, 3 here. Yeah, you find table neighbors here. Yeah, it's 3 neighbors, so you have to choose randomly again 1 neighbor of it. So randomly 2. Yeah, choose this, and you have to mark that the last the last room you stay at is here. The room you start with is here. Mark it a value that it has been visited. Yeah, that for the reason that I will show you later. Yeah, okay, now we go to here we are already standing at here. So we find a neighbor. This neighbors of it. Here it is. Here, 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 and here. We cannot choose it again because we have a visited value here. So we have only 3 options here. Randomly again, we go to here. Okay, now you see it is 2 options here for this room. It is visit that here. Okay, now we randomly go to here. Okay, go here, go here, go here, go here. By the way, you have to meet the condition that we have no neighbors here. So if you under it. So if you are here, it is no neighbor, only 1 here. If no neighbor, then return it to the last neighbor file. If it had any neighbors, then repeat that until you find a neighbor here. Neighbor here. Go to this. This. Okay, now this. Okay, we have all the cell filled with the maze here. Okay, this is the simple example for you guys. So let's go to our next part. So now this is the position X, yeah, up there here. If X new room equal to last room, then its last room is the X of last room, then the Z will be different. Then you compare the Z. Okay, you repeat that process with the Z. Then choose if Z is larger than the previous Z, then you have to yeah. If the previous Z1 smaller than Z2, then it is a negative. So negative will be the sound of it. The sound of the room you start here. Delete it here. Delete it. Oh, where how I can change the color of this? Yeah, here. Delete it. The sound room and the sound room and the sound. You have to know that. Got that the sound will go with the north. The west will go with the east. Delete north, then delete south. Delete east, then delete west. Delete east, then delete west, then delete east. You have to know that. So delete the north too. Okay, now we are done. Hey, that's the one of the hardest part of this. So yeah, let's go to the next step. Yeah. Okay, now I will show you my code that I made it in 4 weeks. Okay, now let's see it. I call a module strip here. Call with this a start. Require module strip. Say this some information about the floor. I did the storage. It's not necessary. Doesn't matter. So go to the here. I make a template with it. A template. So you see the floor, yeah, the floor between of each room. Yeah, I made it with this strip. Yeah, I do a lot of variables so to make it strip. More thing is more convenient for you to reuse this strip for many things, like change the size of it. Look, do you see now? Smaller size. Yeah, check. Okay, it's beautiful. Okay. So this is my card. So the next trip will be, no, I forgot one thing. You have to make a visited value in each room. Yeah, here. the value will be false. So go to the next module script I call next tool is the module script that find the neighbor. Yeah, no, it's capable of a lot of things. It's capable of find neighbor here. The script find neighbor by position. I find it by factor 3, so it look like this. Yeah, it looks stupid, but I know. Yeah, delete war by this script. Look at this. Yeah, I'm make by this. So make sure I use some repeat script here. Repeat until, repeat until, repeat and repeat until. Okay, that easy to understand for you. Oh yeah. I can change the sign and the x, the e, the distance of every room of it. So the position of the whole maze will be here. I will change the e to 100. So you will see this. The superstore maze. Yeah, and I think that is on of our episode here. So it is a time we need to end now. I have to say that I am really appreciate your help and your support thing that you given to my channel. So I thanks you for watching my video. I hope you can leave a like and subscribe for me so that I will have more motivation for my clip to make my clip better and more informative for you guys. So why not? Oh, okay, I know that my English speaking skill is really terrible. I know, yeah, it is terrible for you guys, but I will improve my skill every day, so don't worry. I will try my best to make a quality, a good video for you guys. Oh, now I have to say goodbye now. Okay, goodbye you guys.